Hi, I'm Max, N4ML, and today we'll show you how to apply for the special Worked All States Award for the 2026 America250 WAS operating event. First, log into your Logbook of the World account at LoTW.ARRL.org. If you don't have an account, follow the registration instructions using the link on screen and in the description. Once logged in, and assuming you've been uploading your 2026 state contacts, select the Awards tab. On the left side of the page, find your LoTW ARRL WAS Worked All States account, located just below the DXCC account section. If a WAS award account already exists, typically showing your call sign, click the down arrow to view any WAS award rules you've already established. If you don't have an account or need a new one, select Create New WAS Award Account. Enter an account name, such as your call sign, and select Save Account Changes. You'll then be prompted to create a rule. Select either Add a QSO set or Add a Rule to QSO set. Then choose the appropriate category, such as DXCC entity or state, select your value from the drop-down menu, and click Change. Click Save Account Changes near the top of the page. This will save everything you've entered. With your rule established, go to America250.ARRL.org and sign in using your LoTW credentials. Your default WAS award account should automatically populate. From the drop-down menu, you can select among the 4 available awards to view your progress, with Basic WAS being the most common. Once you have enough credits to qualify, select Apply, and follow the prompts to submit and pay for your WAS award. And that's it! You're ready to track your progress towards the 2026 America250 Worked All States Award. If you have questions or need additional guidance, we've linked a PDF with more detailed instructions on screen and in the description below. Thanks for participating, and good luck working all 50 states.